Hello everyone to the JS guy. So for today's video, we will going to solve one more question of JSON, and that is array prototype last. So far we have covered total 21 question. I have made a separate playlist for the 30 days of JavaScript. I request you to save the playlist for the upcoming remaining questions of JavaScript. So let's now move to our questions. What our question says. So it's telling us that write a code that enhance all the array in such that you can call the last method on array an array, okay, and it will return the last element. If there is no element it should in the array, it should return -1. So basically what our question is saying that if a array presents some value, okay, then it should return the last value. For example, in in example 1, let's see the numbers nums which consist of array. So the first element is of null value, and second is an empty array, and the third one is the integer. So basically, yeah, 3 digit. So in second example, what we have said that empty array is there, so it should return -1. We can solve this question by using if else condition. So but it is not as much easy as you think. It's a little tricky question, but why it is little tricky question is here there is no parameter has been passed and we cannot use any other parameter here. So that is one tricky question. So what we have to do here is we have to use this keyword. If you know this keyword why it is used, so you can solve this question very easily. So let's first now move on to the question. Simply we have to write the if else condition. If the array length, okay, so array dot length equal to 0. First it will check if the array dot length equal to 0, means first we have to check, means first we have to execute the -1 output. So if array dot length equal to 0, then simply have to return -1, and that's okay. The second example we have done cover here, but now I'm going into else part. So else simply you have to return the last element of the index. So what is with the logic? Simply array dot length -1 position. So simply array dot length -1. Okay, just we have to return this. So does you think that that much will be enough? No, and it is the wrong answer, the first thing, because there is no array has been passed. So what we have to write here, simply you can use this keyword, this dot length. Now this consists of anything. It may be a array, it may be a object, it may be a anything. We don't know about it, but it will refer to this to the type dot last. So here also we have to simply return the this keyword, but you have to now implement this outside also, because it will take this dot this of the length. Not directly we can implement this dot length, it may throw error. So yeah, I think I have covered all the example which has been present here. So let's try to run this code. So yes, it accepted the two cases, and let's try to submit the code. So yes, it's accept, but if you know the trick, you can resubmit the code for better enhancement of your code. And basically, you can do the optimization. Yeah. So yes, no changes, little bit changes you can get it. So for that's much for the today. Let's meet tomorrow.